In this video, we will try to explore how to use DBX, perform a global update against records in Goldmine. Our scenario for this video would be to update all the calendar records that have an activity code of GOV as shown currently in this contact record into a code CFU. So I create a SQL query within Goldmine just to show us the records that will be updated. So as you can see, we have two contact records. Both have the activity code of GOV. So let's switch to DBX and start to build and update Goldmine data process. So we'll say update cal to CFU. Then we can accept the default task name, import to Goldmine, and we will be performing an import contact calendar task. So we hit next. That would be calendar, and we hit next. So importing DBX will work with a text file or records from a SQL database. In this particular instance, our data will be coming from the Goldmine SQL database. So we will select this second option and define our data source. First, we need to specify the connection settings that will be used to query our data. So we will select our default Goldmine connection, and now we can create our query that would retrieve the calendar records that will be updated. We'll have the account now, rec ID, and our new code from our calendar from cal, and only those that currently have a code of GOV. So we preview the results. So the minimum requirement for updating our calendar entries would be these three fields: the account now, the record IDs, which are the required fields for updating data, and the third field would be a field that contains the new value for the activity code. So we click on Save Settings here, we hit Next, Finish, and we accept the defaults. And so now we have all the three fields that we need automatically mapped for us, such as the account now, the activity code, and the record ID of the calendar record. So now we can just simply click on Save Settings here. And before we execute this process, let's go back to Goldmine, run the query once more. We see that there are still two of them with a GOV. And now let's run the process in DBX. Click OK, switch back to Goldmine, and run the query. So now we can't find any of those records or GOVs. So let's see if we can find them using the new activity code. There they are. The same process can be applied for history, contact 2, contact 1, opportunity manager, using a simple import process in DBX.